What if I told you some animals on Earth have abilities that look like they came straight out of a superhero movie? Animals that can turn invisible, animals that can regrow entire body parts, and one tiny creature that can survive in space. These aren't myths. They're real animals living on our planet right now. And by the end of this video, you'll discover 10 animals with real superpowers that science still struggles to fully understand. Let's start with one of the most incredible hunters in the ocean. Number 10, the mantis shrimp. At first glance, the mantis shrimp doesn't look like anything special. It's small, colorful, and hides inside coral reefs. But this tiny creature has a punch so powerful it can break aquarium glass. Its strike is so fast that it moves at 50 miles per hour underwater. That's faster than a bullet fired from a gun. When it punches its prey, the impact actually creates a shockwave that briefly boils the surrounding water. This phenomenon is called cavitation, and the shockwave alone can stun or kill prey instantly. But that's not even its only superpower. The mantis shrimp also has the most advanced vision in the animal kingdom, with up to 16 types of color receptors, compared to just 3 in humans. But if you think that's impressive, wait until you see the next animal. Number 9, the axolotl. Imagine losing an arm and then simply growing it back. For the axolotl, this is completely normal. This strange-looking amphibian from Mexico has one of the most powerful regenerative abilities in the animal kingdom. It can regrow limbs, spinal cords, parts of its brain, even pieces of its heart. And the regenerated body parts are perfect copies of the original. No scars, no defects. Scientists have studied axolotls for decades, hoping to unlock the secret to human regeneration. Because if we understood how this works, it could revolutionize medicine forever. But regeneration isn't the only superpower animals have. Some can disappear completely. Number 8, the octopus. Octopuses are some of the most intelligent creatures in the ocean. But their real superpower is instant camouflage. Within milliseconds, an octopus can change its color, its texture, even its shape, to perfectly match its surroundings. It does this using special skin cells called chromatophores. These cells expand and contract, allowing the octopus to create incredibly detailed patterns. Some species can even mimic rocks, coral, or other animals. But what makes this ability even more fascinating is that octopuses can control it consciously, almost like switching disguises. It's like having the powers of an invisibility cloak. But invisibility isn't the strangest ability on this list. The next animal can literally cheat death. Number 7, the immortal jellyfish. Growing old is something every living creature experiences, except for one, the immortal jellyfish. Instead of dying when it reaches the end of its life cycle, this tiny jellyfish can actually reverse its aging process. It transforms its cells back into an earlier stage of development, essentially turning back into a baby. Then it starts its life all over again. In theory, this process can repeat forever, which means the immortal jellyfish could potentially live indefinitely. Scientists call this process biological immortality. But the next animal doesn't cheat death. Instead, it survives the most extreme conditions imaginable. Number 6, the tardigrade. The tardigrade is almost microscopic. You would need a microscope just to see it. But this tiny creature might be the toughest animal on Earth. Tardigrades can survive extreme heat, freezing temperatures, crushing pressure, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. In experiments, scientists sent tardigrades into space without protection, and they survived. When conditions become dangerous, they enter a state called cryptobiosis, where their metabolism nearly stops. They basically pause life until the environment becomes safe again. It's like having the ability to press pause on life itself. But some animals don't just survive danger. They hunt with electricity. Number 5, the electric eel. The electric eel can generate up to 860 volts of electricity. That's more than enough to knock down a horse. These powerful shocks help the eel hunt prey, defend against predators, and even navigate in murky water. Inside its body are specialized cells called electrocytes, which act like biological batteries. When thousands of them discharge at once, they produce a powerful electric blast. But electricity isn't the only strange weapon animals use. The next creature can shoot boiling chemicals. Number 4. The bombardier beetle. The bombardier beetle might look harmless, but when threatened, it fires a boiling chemical spray from its abdomen. Inside its body are 2 separate chemical chambers. When danger appears, these chemicals mix together, creating an explosive reaction that heats up to nearly 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The beetle then sprays this burning liquid directly at its attacker, and it can aim with incredible accuracy. It's like carrying a mini flamethrower. But if that seems extreme, wait until you see an animal that can sense invisible electricity. Number 3. Sharks. Sharks have a hidden sense that humans completely lack. They can detect electrical signals in the water. Every living creature produces small electrical impulses from muscle movement and heartbeats. Sharks detect these signals using special organs called ampullae of Lorenzini. These tiny sensors allow sharks to locate prey even when it's completely hidden. They can literally sense a fish buried under sand. It's like having a built-in biological radar. But the next animal has a power that seems almost magical. It can freeze solid and come back to life. Number 2. The wood frog. During winter, temperatures in the Arctic forests can drop far below freezing. For most animals, that would mean certain death. But not for the wood frog. When winter arrives, its body actually freezes solid. Its heart stops beating. Its breathing stops. Ice forms throughout its body. And yet, it survives. Special chemicals in the frog's blood protect its cells from damage. When spring arrives, the frog thaws out and continues living as if nothing happened. But the number 1 animal on this list has a power that looks like something from science fiction. Number 1. The pistol shrimp. The pistol shrimp doesn't use claws to grab prey. Instead, it creates one of the loudest sounds in the ocean. When it snaps its claw shut, it creates a bubble that collapses instantly. This collapse produces a shockwave hotter than the surface of the sun for a fraction of a second. The blast can stun or kill nearby fish instantly. And the sound is so loud it can reach over 200 decibels. That's louder than a gunshot. All from a shrimp smaller than your finger. Nature is full of incredible abilities that seem impossible, yet they exist all around us. So those were 10 animals with real superpowers. But here's the crazy part. Scientists believe we've discovered less than 20% of the species on Earth, which means somewhere out there could be animals with abilities we've never even imagined. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. Which animal surprised you the most? And if you want to see more incredible animals and strange mysteries of nature, make sure to subscribe, because the natural world is far more unbelievable than fiction.